How to add tabs to a product page on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to actually achieve this. Now, Shopify itself does not offer the option to create tabs or add them to product pages or any page really. So we are going to actually use an external application. Now there are going to be plenty to choose from, even from the App Store. So for example, you can go for Section Store and things like that. They do offer this service. Now, most likely than not, you will actually need to pay for that service. The one that I'm actually going to be showing you is not from the App Store. It is Common Ninja. So just go ahead to commonninja.com and you can actually go ahead and do one for free. So you can actually go ahead and create a tab for free, but then if you want to do more, then you will want to also, go to the check out the pricing and see which one is going to actually suit you best. I'm not sure, I'm not aware of any free solutions that are completely for free, so yeah. But anyways, to get started, you just want to go to commonninja.com and create your account for free. I do already have one, so I'm just going to click on login. So once you create your account and log in, you should find yourself in this dashboard section, whatever you actually want to call it. So you just want to head on over to the dashboard and click on create widget. Now from create widget, there are going to be plenty to choose from. In my case, I'm just going to go to the search box and you want to search for tabs. Obviously, this is the one that we actually want. So you're just going to click on create tab widget. And once this is loaded in, we can feel free to customize it to our liking. So you can see the default layout is going to look a little something like this with two tabs, and we can switch between them. And basically, we can feel free to add as many as many as we want when it comes to the tabs. Now, customizing them is very easy. So you want to head on over to the first one. You want to change the name for it and, change the content for it and all of these things. So for example, tab name is going to be test and you can see the box changes. And then we also can change the contents. So here's going to be the header. We can feel free to change that. I know I did misspell change, but it doesn't really matter. And also we have the body text. So we can also just remove this and, adjust the entire thing. So same goes for the rest of the tabs here, so feel free to change all of them. And we can also add an icon to it, so we can just add the check mark to this tab. So once you finish with this one, you can move on with the rest of them. And yeah, that's all. So if you want to change the design, you can feel free to do so from the left. You can change the layout for them. I'm just going to stick with this one, and also the color scheme for them if you want to do so. You can also feel free to do it custom. So we have the primary color and the background color. So once you're happy with it, you just want to click on publish or save changes first at the top right. And you want to place that in the project that you have created, which you should create a project once you actually log in. And then you just want to click on publish. And once you click on publish, you basically want to copy this code here. So add to website standard, and you just want to copy the code. Once you copy the code, you just want to go back to Shopify. So let's just go back to Shopify, and we want to go to the product we want to add it to. So in this case, I'm just going to add it for this one. Go to the description, and here you can add the content needed. I know I can't spell right now, but it doesn't really matter. So you can add whatever you actually want in here. But most importantly, if you want to add the widget, you must click on this, which is the show HTML option. Paste that in here, and then you just want to click on save. And once you click on save, we are pretty much good to go. If you click on preview, you'll be able to see the tabs section that we just created, and now it is not found because it did not load yet for us. So let's just go ahead and wait. Let's restart a few times, and I will show you once it's actually fully loaded. Okay, so we can actually see I did not do anything, by the way, once, I just waited for it and it actually worked. So we can actually see the name of the product, the price, and we also have the tabs, so we can just switch between them. Obviously, it did not change the content within them, but yeah, we can see exactly what we want to see. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.